And we just go to the last session. Jakub wrote me that Eva will,
yes.
will say
so unfortunately, Jakub asked me to apologize for his absence because he has been called for urgent tasks and he cannot join the closing session. And therefore, I would like to, on behalf of Jakub and the organizing committee, to thank you for attending the second edition of Light for Ukraine workshop. It was a great pleasure to host all of you. And we are looking forward to further cooperation. And Sasha, now I will pass the floor to you.
Okay. Thank you, Eva. I just wanted to say first that I'm happy that that was a successful workshop, but at least I like it. In a sense, it was very interesting to see the examples of the beamlines and their tasks which they are solving on the topic which we plan to build at Solaris. So it was very instructive and for me also, and I think for other people. As for the last session, and I think it was successful in a sense, we didn't choose. It's not very selected. It almost a random selection of the people who was just ready to present and some results and interested in this beamline. And this just shows, I would say, that quite big potential of people in here, because I think we have, I'm sure we have much more people who are interested in it in very different areas in this sense. And I would say that we are ready in a we are I mean that we have this consensus like that we have from European colleagues, from Solaris people, from LIPS, we have requests. They want to help for our community, for our synchrotron user community to grow and this nephew project will be directed to this. But from our side, I mean now from my side, or from people who are in Ukraine and who are have some experience with synchrotron measurements, we welcome people who want to start to do synchrotron research. And the first thing, it is just suggestion just to apply for beam time, and just if you need any help in preparation of the proposals, just write me and other people, and we will distribute, try to help you as much as possible to suggest where to apply, and just to distribute your questions where to apply to other people, to European colleagues. They will help, and just to start to do it, just we need, and you need to start to do it, right? Because it's usually takes time and needs some experience to apply for the beamlines. So this is actually all what I wanted to say about this workshop. And from my side, I would like to thank organizers for a very good job. I see that it is organized perfectly from your side, and all this Zoom connections and the program were very nice, very nicely organized. This is from my side, and still we planned this last session like discussion and just answering the more general questions. Therefore, it is I'm not finishing it. It is just I expressed my gratitude to organizers, and just please, if you have any questions, this is a good time to ask. Actually, I'm saying we will try to duplicate this information, but this is public information about the deadlines of this submission of the proposals to BIM for BIM time. And for Solaris, when the next it is in March, I think. Yeah, the next.
So the
deadline.
next call begins in March, so on the 1st March.
First March. Okay. It begins, or it is deadline to apply.
This is just the beginning. So until the end of March. So you have until 4 weeks.
Okay. Yeah. 4 weeks. It is okay. Just I think it would be nice because it is like Jakub said, it is not only that we are building, we plan to build this BIM line and for using at Solaris, but I would say that more important to build cooperation with Solaris in this sense, and just I invite you to suggest to apply for this for other BIM lines at Solaris, and it will be very important experience. Okay, as far as I understand it, you will have this recording, and we can make them available then, right? It is, Eva, do you know about this?
Yes, I think this is correct. Yes, this is correct.
Yeah. Okay, thank you then. If there is no questions, then thank you, and see you next time. The microphone is
okay. My microphone. I just want to thank you, Sasha, for the great cooperation. Again, for the great cooperation. It is really a pleasure to work on workshop with you.
Thank you, Eva. Bye. Then.
Bye.
Thanks. Goodbye.